Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI, and CasterMaster definitely did an amazing job with this product. These furniture cups are super simple to put in. You just have to lift up your couch or furniture just a little bit, put them under, and then you are ready to go. I really love the material of it as well. It's bendable but still sturdy. If you look on the back and the front, it has grips, so it grips the floor and it also grips your piece of furniture, which is definitely important, so neither one of them slides. It works really well, so if you move it, jump, bump into it, it really still stays in place. So if you are looking for some grips for under your couch, your chair, even maybe a table, I would highly recommend this product. I love it. As a renter, we just don't have to worry about the floors getting scuffed because we want our security deposit back. So I would highly recommend this product. I love it. CasterMaster did a great job with it, and that's my point of view.